Today we have the 2019 BMW X1. This vehicle has done just under 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.